Cody, I'm putting on makeup. Aren't you excited? Because you always think it's edible. Look, it's got a little spoon. Ooh. I use the spatula just because I feel like it makes me bougie. Literally no one else uses the spatula, but I do. You know why? Because I bought it, so I'm gonna use it. You feel me? Expensive. It makes me feel like Cardi B. Like a hello, sir. How are you? Hello, and welcome back to She's Not a Beauty YouTuber. She just has beauty YouTuber tendencies. June & Co? I'm calling you on your bullshit. I have a live studio audience, and I'm calling you on your bullshit. Hi, it's bullshit, huh, sweetie? So, as you just saw, there was an ad on my Facebook numerous times where a beautiful young lady does her entire makeup routine with this sponge. And I'm calling bullshit, because I'm sorry. You cannot get that good of a brow and that good of an eyeshadow look with a sponge. I'm calling it right now. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm gonna freaking try it because I got this little bad boy in my Ipsy bag this month. We're gonna go try it with the exact same sponge. I've got my makeup products. I didn't bring a single brush because we're doing this whole thing with this. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. You can sniff it. Thank you. I like that self-control you just showed. That was really nice. Pound it. Do my face really quick, but like I do that with a sponge. But then when we gonna get to the bread and butter of these brows and the eyes and the lips, I'm gonna pull you in. All right, now I'm gonna prime, which this is normal, because normally I would use a sponge to prime. Like I usually use any of my several sponges I have to prime. So, Alpine, I'm really upset that you left me. Just thought I'd let you know. I opened my mouth and was talking while I sprayed some of that, and it got inside my mouth. I don't have a cute little fan, so we just have to use a palette. Also, I'm going places after this. So like if this looks shitty, I'm just gonna have to rock it, because I didn't allow it enough time to like fix my face. If we look shitty, we just gonna look shitty. So I am excited to also just try this sponge because a lot of people really liked it, and so that makes me excited that I got it. Like I don't want to be like I'm shitting on the company. I just don't think that they're marketing it the best. I just think that they little crazy out here trying to act like this sponge can work for literally everything. Like, oh, say goodbye to your brushes. Hi, Cody. I know, you really like makeup for some reason. Please don't lick me. I'm applying makeup. Please don't lick me. Boy. Okay, I love you too. I do. But like, now's not the time. Bella just popped in to say hello. God, she's crazy. Oh, Cody's coming back for more. Hi, sweetie. Oh, this video is gonna be just a freaking mess. Cody, no, you cannot eat powder. No, we're just gonna do our whole face like we normally do with a sponge. I think I'm gonna have a Slade snatched brow like hers. Cause like even if I cut a concealer, I have to try to cut it with this. I have to cut my eyebrow, make it sharp with this. No, I call BS. How much? Stop it. Stop it. No, you can't lick me, my face is beat. I need to do contour, but I feel like this is not gonna end well because I have powder contour. I do not have cream, and I'm very scared for this. That feels wrong. Do, 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 do. Oh, that looks awful. Oh no, it's a bloodbath. Shit. I'm gonna try. I don't want to fail. I really like winning things, so like I would like to do this. I'm just trying to tap off the sponge like it's a brush. Shit! We've made mistakes. Are you looking at yourself in the mirror? Oh. She's gonna square up with this mirror. All right, let's bronze. We're really just gonna go in there. This bronzer's like really good, so like maybe it'll save it. Oh, I think it might have actually helped it. Oh, the bronzer saved the day, B. The bronzer saved the damn day. I mean, I wouldn't be able to tell that you did it with just this one. Sick. And I've never used liquid highlight, so like I'm actually kind of scared. I've seen Tati Westbrook did this. Like it was a, she called it like a beauty sponge challenge or something, where she did her whole face with a beauty sponge. And like she's really talented, so it came out decently. But like, here's the thing, sis. I am not as talented. Oh, I've never done liquid highlight. I'm actually scared. You can do like the Instagram thing where I drop it on my skin. Oh, look at that. Instagram, where you at? Oh shit, I should probably act fast though, because then it's gonna like be like way too far down on my face. Where's my sponge? I don't know if I like that. Oh, this is not good. It's not the sponge's fault. This is all my error. This is where we end. This side looks awful, actually. I don't even know how to fix this. Yep, this is where we went wrong, children. It's more me than the sponge because I don't understand liquid highlight. We are going to get to where I think that she lies the most, which is the brows. Because here's the thing, sis. You can't do your brows with a sponge. Like, I'm just calling it right now. Okay, so we're just gonna do. Oh, that's a lot. That is a lot. Oh, she's thick. You can't do your brows with a sponge. It's wrong. Oh, how am I gonna get this tip? Look at that. Do you see this? This is terrible. Like, look at that. You could maybe clean it up with concealer, but that's not the point. She does her whole face in 2 minutes with this damn sponge. I don't want to say I told you so, but like, this is what I literally said. This is dumb. Does this look like somebody that can do a full brow with a sponge? Because it's not. This is what I'm talking about. This ain't it, sis. That's awful. Like, I could clean it up and make it doable, but that's just the thing. She doesn't clean it up. She doesn't. I've lost my seat to a big old guy. Well, now that I'm completely defeated, let's do our eyes. So we just did some shitty brows with this damn sponge. I'm gonna bring you back in, and I'm gonna use this palette and do a whole damn eye look with this, you already know. I'm gonna go in with a nice base color using a very pigmented palette, which scares me. And like, I'm really trying to make this not just for funny. I'm really honestly trying. We like wipe. What if we use wiping motions? Look at this. That's not okay. If you do a dark enough eye, people are gonna know you're going through some shit and they won't ask questions. Ooh. Oh no, it's a bloodbath. It's a freaking bloodbath. I'm gonna try one thing to make this better. I'm gonna do a glitter on this eye. I'm gonna dip into a nice shimmery shade. I can't speak because I'm so violently upset. Oh, that did not pick up literally any of it. You know why? Because it's a sponge. I'm like in here, like swimwear. Yep. The next part I'm gonna do is the part where she does her lips with a sponge, because let's talk about something. First of all, I ain't got no lips, so I'm already scared. Second, she acts like she just can do it with just it's just like easy breezy beautiful. And it's not, you know, it's just not. This is not gonna happen. So I'm just gonna take a lip, because she just spreads it on this whole sponge, because she's got nice full lips, so she's able to just kind of guess and then go in and clean up. I can't do that, okay? I don't have nice full lips. I've got these tiny little thin paper lips. Oh, she's gonna get everywhere. Honestly, not as bad as I thought it was gonna go. Smudged here, and I definitely overlined them, but it's not terrible. Like, that's doable. Scary, but doable. You didn't do this, but I am. We gonna do our mascara. Can I do your makeup? I don't have a brush. Would you like some lip? There you go. You look beautiful. He went cross-eyed. I'm just gonna really destroy this sponge. Right, let's take you out and discuss. We're gonna rate this whole look, because I just feel like it's not as bad as... He just licked so hard that he moved my whole camera setup. It's not the worst thing I've ever seen, but it's not the greatest. So the base face, like, we're gonna do a moisturizer, primer, foundation, is obviously not bad, because that's what a beauty sponge is for. So we're not even gonna rate that. The contour and bronzer, I would give like a 7. Mainly because it's sharp in some places, it's a little spotchy when you get up close, but it's not awful. The highlighter's like a -4, because I'm just shit with a liquid highlight. That was bad. The lip I give... The lip I give... Do not lick the camera. The lip I give like a 6. Like a 6. Solid 6. Eyeshadow is a 2. Because it's on there, but it's not with us. Eyebrows are also gonna be a 2, because they're filled in, but way too much, and it's just not a look, not a good brow look. Mascara, I mean, it's on there. so we'll give it like a 5.5, but it did almost blind me. So we're gonna have to, you know, this is not it. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you like me, subscribe. And you know, hit a bell, I guess, if you want to when I post, because I don't have a set schedule yet, because I'm still figuring this shit out. Ooh, like the beauty people do. Like, ooh, she is beauty. Look at those harsh lines, just not blended at all. I just wanted a close-up so people could really just see why you shouldn't make ads like this. I'm calling you out, all people that make ads like this. Stop it. My face looks like the Grinch. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. Alright, bye.